Hey everybody, Cali Unicycle Dad here, and today we're going to review something. It's like a mic muffle for the GoPro. And so what I did is I went to Amazon and I got this thing. They call it a Windslayer. Basically it's supposed to be like a piece of foam you put around the camera, and it reduces all that that we get when we ride. So let's check this thing out. All right, we're gonna open up this package and see what this Windslayer looks like and what it's all about. Maybe. Tear at perforation. I was never good at following directions. All right. Here it is, tiny little package. Okay, so it's like a foam. It's like a foam condom for the camera. It's got a couple holes. It's one for the lens, the bottom, the top. So we'll put this this GoPro in it, and then let's go for a ride and see what it sounds like. Oh. Well, it seems kind of loose, but it's in there. There's the back. I guess the back is open if you have a LCD screen, one of the attachments you can put on the camera. I am not very confident in this thing because it seems super loose in here. It's like wiggling. This is supposed to be for this camera. Maybe I need to tighten it up or something. I don't know. But let's take it for a ride. Let's see what it does. It's just foam, and it seems kind of loose. I wonder if I had a different mount on the GoPro, I could make it like tighter. Maybe. Okay, so one thing I noticed is that I can't see the light on this thing to even know if it's recording. So yes, I might have to hook up the remote to use this one. But here we go. I can feel the breeze on me right now. I don't know if this will just muffle it or if you'll be able to hear my audio. We might end up having to talk over this, but let's just see. How's it going? Good, thanks. So, if anyone is gonna say, Dan, where's your gear at? Where's your helmet? Where's your wrist guards? Where's your armor? It's in the car, man. I don't have any of it on. I'm just going pretty slow because the wind is pretty strong. I can feel it here. If I still had my long hair, you guys would see it blowing in the wind. But since I cut it, it's gone. There should definitely be tons of wind muffle right now. I can hear it. Okay, so I just turned on the wheel log app to kind of check the speed and see how this thing works. It says we're going about 15 miles an hour, 14, pretty slow. I've noticed that you can hear the wind muffle at like no speed, so. Let's do a little acceleration here. realize that this foam mic muffle, this Windslayer, if it really does what it's supposed to do, you probably can't hear any of my audio. So it might be kind of pointless. Okay, so I decided that I'm gonna try, I'm gonna put this on the mount that I have on my wheel too, just straight up with the foam. It's usually in a waterproof case, just for protection. If I lay my wheel down, hopefully it wouldn't get shattered, but we're gonna put it on here, and we're gonna see what it sounds like. Tell you, it's really hard to see. Okay, you guys are on there. Let's see what this sounds like now. So curious. Okay, so now we're stopped back at the car, and just gonna check this footage and see how it turned out. See if there's a ton of wind noise or if the muffle worked, and then we'll talk about it, because I'm curious to know if anybody else has used these and what your experiences are, and even if the audio is working right now because it has this thing on, this Windslayer. I'm wondering if it just cancels out the wind and you can still hear audio like me talking while I'm riding. I have no idea, so I'm really interested to find out. Two things that I know that I don't like a ton about this thing is, one, I can't see the screen, so I don't know when it's recording or not. I just have to listen for the audio. Not a big deal because I know what it sounds like. Use these enough. And two, it said it was for this model GoPro. These are Hero 3 Plus Silvers I'm shooting with today. That's the model I could find the Windslayer for. And it looks like it fits loose, and I don't know if that's going to make a difference or not, but we will find out, or you guys have probably already found out. Cool. Check in with you guys in a bit.